ecosystem built on blockchain technology. Basically, we are combining two worlds. We are combining the real world and the virtual one. We are bringing them together and creating the mixed reality. In this mixed reality, all the users will be able to change their surroundings on fly, and you will be able to rule the world just with the tip of your finger. Basically, in Arcona, you can create any project you like. Everything that can be created in the physical world can be created in the Arcona also, because Arcona is linked directly to the real world. So, what I mean, there are different cases. Let's take an example as a tourist one. The tourists are coming to the ruins here in Cyprus. They're walking them around and trying to imagine how this place was in the past. In Arcona, you can create the project and rebuild these ruins and show to the tourists how this place was in the past. So we are talking about the time machine. So you can give the tourists the experience to travel in time and to see how this place was in the past. But it will be in augmented reality. So the people will see the real world, the real buildings that already exist here, but only when they are looking on the ruins, they will see those castles and the buildings that are missing. This is one of the cases. Another case can be the advertising, because in the real world, the advertising is oversaturated. But in Arcona, you have plenty of spaces where you can put the digital advertising in the real world locations. So these are two cases, but you can use them in education also, because Cyprus has a great history, and we can teach the people, the children, the history using the augmented reality, showing them again how this place or how that war was in the past. That will be more interesting for them just only to read a book. Today, the users can use their mobile phones, but soon the big players will offer the market the glasses like I have, or the lenses for the augmented reality, and the users, all the users will be engaged into the ecosystem, because augmented reality will become a habit to use it in our real life. So everyone will be able to see all those missing architectural masterpieces or another content that we'll have in the Arcona ecosystem. The main idea is that everything in our world is created two times. First time it is created in our mind, and then it is created in the real world. So we decided to create a solution, a tool, a platform to the people where they could implement all those ideas, wonderful ideas that they have in this real world. So now everything that could be done in Arcona is limited just with your imagination. Any project you invent, you can create in Arcona ecosystem. The main advantage of blockchain is that blockchain protects the copyrights. So in our ecosystem will be engaged all the developers and all the 3D artists of the world, and they will create the content. And we would love them to be protected, and their content will not be used without their knowledge. And that makes give the guarantee to these developers that they will get the royalty at the same time when this content will be used. Our pre-ICO is already live, and it will end by the 27th of December. Then the ICO will start by the 25th of January, and it will end by the 25th of February. During the ICO, the people will be able to buy the tokens, and only the token holders will be able to buy the digital land in our ecosystem. Before we go listing, we'll launch the auctions. During these auctions, the people will be able to buy the digital land in any part of the world. This digital land is our deficit asset that we link to the real world. I mean, you can buy the digital land which is linked directly to the real one. So you can buy the land in the center of Cyprus and create any project on this land and be the owner of this land. And the blockchain will protect the rights